The value of Bitcoin has suffered significantly during the previous few weeks. Coins and tokens that had enormous price changes months ago are now seeing their prices gradually decline, with some returning to levels last seen in October. But despite the fact that some investors may be concerned about this, difficult times do not last forever. There are absolutely cryptos to buy right now in the hopes of a resurgence in the cryptocurrency market. So, if we are entering a bear market, which crypto coins are the best to hold? Hello and welcome back to Crypto Cash Channel. Do you think that we are headed to a bear market? What are the best coins to hold now? And what should we prepare for? Let's find out. But, first, before we go on, a sub to the channel would be very appreciated. Comment, share the video and don't forget to leave a thumbs up for the video. So, let's get into it. The cryptocurrency market has been beset by sell-offs, which have been fueled by none other than Bitcoin. As a result of profit taking on the part of Bitcoin holders during the previous 6 months, the cryptocurrency's price has dropped by nearly $20,000, and according to tradition, negative momentum is taking the rest of the market with it downward. Altcoins will never be able to completely escape the influence of Bitcoin, which accounts for more than half of the whole cryptocurrency market share. However, no indication has been given that Bitcoin is becoming less desirable in any manner. Actually, currently held shareholders are attempting to increase their current holdings at a discount, as seen by the increase in the amount of trading activity. Without a doubt, the rest of the market predicts that the value of cryptocurrencies will climb once more in the near future. The question is, which cryptocurrencies should you acquire right now in order to take advantage of the current crypto bear market? Flux is currently one of the smaller projects, but that will not be the case for much longer. In this year's currency market, one of the currencies poised for a breakthrough is the cryptocurrency, which is a savvy bet on Web 3.0 development as well as a product offering that enhances its intrinsic value. In addition to its growing popularity on social media, the fact that it is garnering a dedicated following is a contributing element to its success. Flux's mission is to give a competitive alternative to the web service suites supplied by big corporations such as Amazon and Alphabet. The Flux OS operating system is used to run the decentralized web services supplied by the blockchain network, which are in turn run by the blockchain network. Flux OS is a platform that allows anybody to create their own programs, operate servers, and administer oracles. The network also promises to be able to give the quickest possible speeds, regardless of where the user is or what time of day they are using it. Flux nodes, which are user-operated nodes that connect other users to services, are utilized to do this. The protocol chooses nodes based on their proximity to one another, and with Flux nodes functioning all over the world, this results in the promised high speeds being delivered. Flux has a number of benefits over other cryptocurrencies, including a local wallet called Zelcore and the ability to mine for Flux in parallel on many blockchains. Since a Web 3.0 cryptocurrency, it has a great deal of promise, as it has the ability to take a large number of Amazon Web Services and place them on the blockchain instead. Flux will grow more widespread as Web 3.0 gets more traction. Ethereum is always a solid investment, regardless of the state of the market. The Ethereum blockchain network is, without a doubt, the most frequently used Layer 1 blockchain network in the world. One of the most popular decentralized applications, dApps, is hosted on the platform. Only Bitcoin, with a market capitalization of $385 billion, has a higher market capitalization. The cryptocurrency Ethereum is a solid investment almost all of the time, but right now it is doing far better than average due to the current market conditions. In any case, there is still the prospect of a comeback in price. Acquiring the dip now will most probably result in a rise in price over the next few weeks and months. And now, a bigger incentive to purchase ETH sooner rather than later exists. There has never been a network update as big as Ethereum's unification with other cryptocurrency exchanges. It is something that a lot of people are looking forward to. Additionally, sharding will be introduced in order to transition the network from a proof-of-work to a proof-of-stake consensus model. This series of changes will have a significant influence on the costs of gas and the scalability of the Ethereum network for users. Efforts to prepare for merge have already started. Since its start in December of 2020, the Beacon chain has operated in tandem with Ethereum's main network chain, including all incoming upgrades as well as those already in progress. According to the project's designers, Ethereum 2.0 will finally come together in June 2022, following a slew of further enhancements and preparation work that will take place. There are obviously huge expectations for the network's most significant upgrade to date. A bet on the long-awaited upgrade's success might turn out to be extremely profitable. There is currently a paucity of interest in stablecoins within the greater crypto investment community at this point in time. As is customary in the United States, the value of each coin is fixed at $1. As a result, the recent market drop has had no detrimental influence on the value of their shares. Demand for stablecoins, on the other hand, is projected to rebound after the unfavorable period has passed. It is possible to use them in a variety of DeFi applications, and they will continue to be a part of the overall investing environment. Terra is a cryptocurrency that is tied to a stablecoin. And so, before the bear market comes to an end, it may be an excellent opportunity to invest in this cryptocurrency. It powers Terra USD, one of the largest stablecoins presently available on the market. Several stablecoins use their own reserves in order to maintain their value in relation to the US dollar. And because it is simple to move between Terra and USD, the supply of both is relatively constant. Holders of US dollar-denominated USD can convert their holdings to Luna at a discount if the value of the USD falls below $1. The supply of USD is cut as a result, and the value of the currency is restored to $1. Holders can also convert their remaining Luna into the digital currency at greater USD values, increasing the supply of the digital currency and driving the price down. Early adopters of the Luna coin are seeing great success as a result of this notion. In January of last year, the currency was selling at little more than 80 cents a coin. Luna is now trading at $93 per share. As a result of the growth, UST's market capitalization has increased from then $220 million to nearly $11 billion. There have been issues with Ripple for a very long time, and they continue to be a concern. Although the corporation is now engaged in a legal struggle with the Securities and Exchange Commission, it continues to conduct business. These legal difficulties, on the other hand, appear to be little more than a minor stumbling block along the way to a stable XRP price. Over the course of the previous 14 months, the currency has proved its ability to maintain its value. Given its renewed concentration on winning the lawsuit, it appears to be on the verge of a comeback. It seems unlikely that wire transfers across nations will be phased out in the near future. Transferring money across international borders is something that many individuals do, and this is one of the factors that has contributed to Ripple's success. By utilizing Ripple and XRP, users may avoid the exorbitant charges associated with international money transfers. As Ripple's services became increasingly popular, the value of XRP reached an all-time high of about $3 in early 2018. The success of the program, on the other hand, has irked the government of the United States. Despite the fact that the SEC 2020 lawsuit against Ripple has knocked these prices back down to earth, XRP is far from dead. From 2017 through 2021, we can only hypothesize about how much more the XRP coin would have gained if it had not been entangled in this legal issue during that time period. However, this might change in 2022, when Ripple seems to have cornered the SEC, providing XRP with an increased possibility for growth. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for your time and attention. Which coin do you have in your portfolio? Which coin does want to add to your portfolio? Comment below. Let's engage. Also, if you are interested in more videos like this, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell for more amazing videos. See you in the next video.